Josh. The old big steelhead about jerked the pole right out of his water. She'll be on YouTube in a minute. God damn her, Josh, give it to her. Here we go, we got the whole life story here. We got all the Vet X, half the Jones clan. There goes the fish. He's headed out to sea. Oh yeah. I gotta be found a hook on. That means bite just started. 12:30 bite. What do you got on your fingers today anyway, Josh?
I don't know.
That must be good stuff. Need to give everybody her name. Whatever you do, don't let Grandma and Grandpa watch this video. Woo, doggy.
Again.